Is AMC about to do the exact same thing GameStop is doing? Is Blackberry about to do it? So, since I'm at work, before we start, we're gonna make this quick, short, and sweet. Should you buy AMC and should you buy Blackberry? Yes and double yes. So, well, if we start with Blackberry. Blackberry, we know the cell phone company. We all had Blackberry back in the day. We had BBM, all that type of good thing. It's not necessarily just a meme stock. Okay, turn off the see, that's what happened when you're a flight attendant. They just turn off the engine.
Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose.
What's up, beautiful people? I am Lando Success, your favorite motivational teacher. Whenever you come to my page, the plan is for you to leave knowing something that you didn't know before you came here. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. That will help the YouTube algorithm, and that will throw my video out there and all that good stuff. We already have a partnership with Baidu. They had this partnership since 2018. But they just extended it now, and it's going to be like not a Google's map, but a mapping GPS type system. Now, the reason I am all in with them, because they are going with rival company of Tesla, Xpeng. If you watch my YouTubes, I'm bullish on Xpeng. That's my favorite out of all the China EVs. So if they're teaming up with Xpeng, I'm with them. Blackberry stock was all the way down to about under $2, like $2.80 a share within the last year, and it went all the way up to $20. Blackberry with the ticker symbol BB. So one day ago, we see it was right under $20 a share, $18 a share, went up and down for the last day. But if we go back a week, look how the difference is just in 1 week from now. Down to $12. You see that 52 week, thing at the bottom, the high and low. So we go back 1 month, down under $4. Go back 6 months, same thing. Go back a year. It is crazy. This is a must-have at this point. Even though we're late, we still probably can get in because this company's still growing. So they have a lot of backing, and it looks like it's going to be the next quote-unquote meme stock. Now, with AMC, company almost went under, basically with COVID. With this type of industry, you have to go to the movie theaters and be in person, and that basically shut everything down. All the AMCs got shut down, and the CEO came out and announced, like, yo, if we don't get some funding, we're going to be done. They have just received over $900 million. I think it's $917 million in funding. So the CEO happy, like, yo, we'll be able to at least last to the end of 2021. And I believe this Friday, a lot of AMCs is going to open back up. There's double positives. The people at Wall Street Bets look like they're doing the exact same thing, buying and holding and forcing the company to go skyrocket. All right, so we will start off with AME. So look at this. The share was under $5. This is the first week, and you see how it go down with this first day. Then we go to the first week. It was down under $3 a share, down about $2.90. You go down a month, it went right under $2 a share. Then move on over to 3 months. This stock is absolutely looking great so far, and you see it jump back up a little bit, And 6 months ago, the stock was up to $7. So even if the stock went back to the original price it was at, we'd be good, especially the people that get in early. Now, since AMC is under $5 right now, I would go hard. If you can, I would get 100 shares. That's only $400, under $500. And once it triple, I would sell half of them. So, for example, you buy 100 shares, let's say at $5. That costs you $500. Once it goes to $15, I would sell half of them. And I would keep 50 shares to see is it going to go to the moon. I think it is. Now, if we do the breakdown, the financial breakdown of AMC, I think this high in the last year was like $6. And I think the risk is worth the reward at this point. because it's low money, high rewarding. So I say yes, buy AME. Don't do it right now, do it right now. And Blackberry, at least grab 10 shares and start with that. So as this go up, because people is going to force it to go up just off the energy. If you go on YouTube, if you just Google it, you have people that's speculating, and the price, you can manipulate the stock price just off of the speculation, because the stock market is an emotional being or emotional industry. So I think with all this excitement going on, especially with GameStop, people going to kind of keep on trying to do it again until it don't work, and it's worth it. So in conclusion, yes, make sure you buy these. Not right now, but right now. Buy a lot of AME if you can. Don't go too heavy on Blackberry. And we're going to see what happens. Let's talk about it in the comments if you agree, you don't disagree, or you don't agree, or however you say it. Talk to y'all later. I'm Lando Success. I'm out.